But tell me, for an infrastructure company with so many businesses, JVs, subsidiaries, you name it, every kind of combination is present in the space that you look after. Quarterly rendering of accounts, is that a good thing or is that a terrible thing?
Sir, I think it is, I mean, whether it's good or terrible, I would like to context it not from the effort required to comply, but from the purpose it serves. In companies which are project oriented, the outcome of the project, as how the company has fared undertaking that project execution responsibility, is known only when you measure the outcome over the project duration. When we actually try to artificially create timeline thresholds of 90 days or 180 days, etc., what happens is we actually bring a curtain down at a point in time, regardless of where the project is, and try to assess whether we have performed well or not. As a company, since we are a sigma of 1,000 such projects, some projects are in advanced stage, some projects are in early stage, etc. What the results show is some golden average, which need not necessarily point out very clearly as to whether the project in the overall context is doing well or not. Now, to my own personal preference, I think yearly would be the most ideal way to measure the outcome, because projects are typically 3 years. So 1/3 of the project is reasonable timeline to assess the outcome as to which way the project is going. 90 days is too short. But I understand these requirements have come out because the investing world has become something which believes in churning the investments. So they don't have the patience to wait for 180 days or 360 days. So definitely not for 365 days. So I guess I would argue, if I'm given space to speak about it, is that we should move over to very industry-based timelines for this. Service industry, it can measure itself to 90 days more easily. Sequential quarter on quarter is also very possible and feasible, relevant in service industry like IT industry or financial services. In a project industry, to make them close in 90 days and thereafter to compare previous quarter with the current quarter is actually more misleading than leading in terms of indication. So I don't think it's a good idea to have one size fits all approach to this financial reporting. We can possibly move towards it if the regulators do not think that they are diluting standards. In a couple of occasions, when I've had an opportunity to sit with the regulator and discuss about this, they were empathetic to the points that was being made, but they were saying that we don't want to be seen as somebody who's actually moving down the standards. So that's where we are. But I would bat for at least once in 6 months and not definitely quarter for our kind of business.
Okay. That's very heartening, because I find myself in that small group of people which says that quarterly accounting was the wrong way for India to go.